Is what you eat the secret to shedding those stubborn pounds? Many experts say yes, and some of the smallest additions to your diet could make the biggest difference. Today, we're diving into the world of superfood seeds, tiny powerhouses packed with nutrients that can help accelerate weight loss. First on our list is chia seeds. These tiny seeds are not just a health trend, they are a nutritional powerhouse. Chia seeds are high in fiber, which helps keep you feeling full longer. They also absorb water, expanding in your stomach and increasing the feeling of fullness. This can lead to fewer calories consumed throughout the day. Next, we have flax seeds. Known for their high omega-3 fatty acid content, flax seeds can help reduce inflammation, which is crucial in weight management. They also contain soluble fiber, which slows down digestion and promotes a longer feeling of fullness. Hemp seeds are another fantastic choice. These seeds boast a perfect balance of essential fatty acids, omega-3 and omega-6, and are a great protein source, making them an excellent addition to any weight loss diet. Protein is key in weight management as it helps build muscle, which in turn burns more calories than fat. Moving on to pumpkin seeds. Don't underestimate these seeds. They are rich in magnesium, a mineral that plays an essential role in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, including the metabolism of food. This can help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent insulin spikes that can lead to weight gain. Sesame seeds might seem like just a decoration on your burger bun, but they're worth considering for weight loss. High in fiber and protein, sesame seeds can help stabilize your appetite and reduce cravings. Sunflower seeds are next. These seeds are not only tasty, but also contain a significant amount of dietary fiber, which helps control hunger by making you feel full longer. They're also packed with protein, which aids in maintaining muscle mass during weight loss. Last but not least, we have quinoa seeds. Although often referred to as a grain, quinoa is technically a seed and a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. It's also high in fiber, which can help with satiety and weight control. In summary, these seeds can be a great addition to your diet if you're looking to lose weight. Chia seeds help you feel full. Flax seeds fight inflammation and promote fullness. Hemp seeds provide balanced fatty acids and protein. Pumpkin seeds assist in regulating blood sugar. Sesame seeds stabilize appetite. Sunflower seeds control hunger. And quinoa supports overall satiety and muscle maintenance. Incorporating these seeds into your meals can provide not only a nutritional boost, but also aid in achieving your weight loss goals. Remember, the key to weight loss is a balanced diet and incorporating a variety of nutrients to keep your body healthy and energized. So, sprinkle some of these super seeds onto your next meal and enjoy the flavorful journey to a healthier you.